Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace a door on the 7th gen Nissan Maxima. The reason I'm replacing this because, as you can see, all this is like bent outwards. I'm not sure when this got in an accident because of the fender was smashed in. They were trying to get the door open and pry it open. This was bent outwards, so whenever it rained, water kind of seeped in. Not enough to soak anything. I fixed that by bending it back towards the body of the car. But this part, I can't manage to get back aligned with the body of the car. That's a new fender, so I know it's the door. So to get that repaired would have cost more than me buying another door, which I got right there. I got it pulled from a 2011, same model, but the base model. No scratches, no anything. It's like a brand new door. And I only paid $150 for it. Brand new hood. Car was never in an accident. The one that was pulled from, the transmission went up. Body was in perfect condition. Same place I got the hood from the same car. Brand new. No scratches or anything. It's a little dirty right now. But no further ado, let's get on to it. I'm still on the tripod. All you're gonna need is a 10 mil. Pry tool. If you have a plastic one, that'll work too. And you're gonna need something like a sponger tool, flat like this. And that's it. So first things first, you wanna move the cover that's right here. Get your little sponger. You wanna get behind this and pull outwards. Pull from the side like I did. There's a little clip right there. Set that aside. And I'll expose the 10 mil. So we're gonna take that out. And then we're gonna move this trim right here. So get behind it and pull outwards. You want to be gentle, that way you ain't scratching up the trim or damaging the leather. The next thing you want to do, it exposes another 10 mil right here. So we're going to take that out. Alright. And I'm going to use something to get it out. Let's see. My finger's just too big, so I'm going to do this. That's so. And then this little grommet right here that's holding the window switch down. So I'm going to get in it, behind it. Let me use my other one. That one's too wide. There you go. And then I'm gonna lift up the window switch. You're gonna dig like at an angle that you're getting right underneath the window switch and not scratching up the leather. And gently pull upwards. And down the back side is a little wiring harness. Just push down this clip and it will release it. Alright. And then there's a 10 mil bolt right there. That's also holding this down, so we're gonna remove that as well. I might need an extension. Alright, now I got my extension. Alright. So now you just wanna grab around. It's gonna be like this a ledge right here. That you can put the tip of your finger behind and pull towards you all the way around. upwards. And then you want to disconnect the harness. Just push up and pull out. As you can see. Got that disconnected. On these, you want to pull out and then lift up. Same thing. Pull out and lift up. There's a harness down here. What you want to do? Let me switch that around. Alright, for this part, you're going to have to pry the lower door light out and then twist it and bring it outwards. Be gentle, take your time, that way you ain't breaking any clips or damaging anything on the door. Like so. Going to disconnect this. Push down on the tab. Then going to pull this. And that'll expose the 10 mils. So now you can take out the mirror. Now that's a 10 mil right here. Go with that. Alright, so now we're going to sit there and remove the wiring harness that connects to the door. Alright, so now that we got this pulled out, it's going to be clips, push down, pull out. Same thing with the other, push down, pull out. So now I'm going to move the 12 mils and then get ready to bring the new door and install that. Alright, I got the new door installed. I didn't realize they gave me the door trim because they the ones that loaded on into the nitro. I just seen the other side, so that's a bonus. I don't need the trim, so if any of y'all need a door trim, let me know. I'll sell it to y'all for cheap. And that's the old one. This glass came tinted, so I'm gonna see if I could take off the tint. That way all the windows match. So now we're gonna proceed to reconnecting everything. Sorry, I had to switch hands. So there's no way you could connect these wrong because they two different size sockets. So just plug it in. Everything you see here faces upwards towards that clip. That way you know which side it's going in. So let's reconnect those. Alright, once you got all that reconnected, just slide it back into its hole. Just push it in there. It kind of sucks having big hands. It's hard to get into tight spaces. So I'm gonna pull it through from the inside. I'm shoving my hand underneath. That way it can make it a little bit easier to bring the wires in. Alright, now we're gonna reconnect the door check. So I'm gonna pull it out and then line up the hole. Like so. And then start hand tightening the bolt. Alright, now we're gonna reconnect the mirror. Slide the wiring harness through. That's so. So I'm gonna remove this door trim. Same procedure. That way I could reattach the wiring harness, and then I could put the cover on. Alright, now we're gonna reconnect the side mirror switch, well, harness. And then now we're gonna put the door panel back on. And we pretty much done. Alright, here's a little trick. Put the door on and then have it closed. And this is more likely to have the door lined when putting it back on. So I'm gonna put all these nuts on, tighten it, and then check the door. Alright, so the door is perfectly aligned. Here it's not grinding or nothing. So now we're gonna proceed and put all the trim back on. Alright, got all the trim back on, everything back intact, transferred. And the gap is pretty much gone, as you can see. So it was indeed the door. But that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one.